The Talking Parrot and the Job Interview. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a man named Ali who had the most unusual parrot in the world. Unlike normal parrots that say, "Hello" or "pretty bird," Ali's parrot, Coco, could speak full sentences, and not just any sentences, but the most ridiculous things at the wrong time. One day, Ali got a call for a big job interview at a famous company. He was very excited, but also nervous. He thought, if I get this job, I'll finally be rich. So, he started practicing his answers. Ali, I am a hardworking and responsible person. Coco, lies. He sleeps all day. Ali, I work well in a team. Coco, he argues with his own reflection. Ali, I am very professional. Coco, yeah, professional at eating snacks. Ali sighed. Coco, please don't embarrass me tomorrow. Coco just flapped his wings and laughed. We'll see. The next day, Ali put Coco in his cage and went to the interview. Everything was going well until suddenly, bang! The office window flew open and Coco came flying in. Interviewer, surprised, is that a parrot? Ali, nervously, no. That's, my emotional support bird. Coco landed on Ali's shoulder and shouted, Don't believe him. He's terrible at waking up on time. The interviewer laughed. Wow, your parrot is honest. Ali blushed. Coco, please be quiet. Coco ignored him and continued. Oh, and he also sings in the shower like a dying cat. The whole office burst into laughter. The interviewer wiped his tears and said, You know what, Ali? You're hired. Ali's eyes widened. Wait, really? The interviewer grinned. Yes, we need someone who can make the office fun. And so, Ali got the job thanks to Coco's big mouth. Moral of the story. Sometimes, honesty and humor can take you further than you think. New words learned. Embarrass. To feel ashamed or shy. Burst into laughter. To suddenly start laughing. Blush. To turn red in the face from shyness or embarrassment. Emotional support. Something that helps someone feel calm and happy.